Intelligent insulated wire stripper is used to strip the insulation layer of live insulated wires in the fire area. With a mode-free adaptive clamping system and a fully automatic blade feeding system. With intelligent identification, it can adaptively peel off the outer insulation layer with a thickness of 2 to 7 millimeters. No need cumbersome work process. The stripper has preset length stripping function. Intelligent peeling is achieved without manual assistance. With parameter return function, the remote control is equipped with a high-resolution display, which provides real-time feedback to the operator on key parameters such as device signals, battery power, voltage, and peeling length. The stripper realizes intelligent and rapid peeling, ensuring the peeling effect, shortening the operation time and reducing the workload.